Hello everyone, today I am solving another problem, add two numbers. So we are given two numbers in the form of linked list, and this linked list is in reverse order. That is 342 is written as 243 in linked list, and each node of this linked list only stores a single digit. So we are supposed to add these two given numbers and return the result. For example, this number is 342 and another number is 465. We'll add this and the result is 807. Therefore, we are returning 7, 0 and then 8. So a linked list, which is this one, that is a pointer to the first node. So how we can solve this problem? Well, this problem can be solved by having two pointers, one pointing to the start of the first linked list and another pointing to the start of the second linked list. We will add these values, that is 5 and 2, and then we will store the result in a new node. And if the result is greater than 10, then unit digit will be taken here and rest of the digits will be transferred to the next node as the remainder. Then we'll add these two numbers, which is 4 and 6. Here we have 10, and from here we have no remainder, that is 0 as the remainder, and 4 and 6 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10, and therefore I stored 0 here, and whatever is left, whatever digit is left, that is 1. It will go further on to the next node. 4 and 3 is 7, and 7 added to 1 becomes 8. So 8 is stored here and there are no more digits, therefore this is the end, and then we will return a pointer to the first node. But what if there was another node here which has value 9? So in this case, when one of the linked list is already over, I can come out of the loop which will do these additions, and whatever is the leftover part of the linked list, I can simply make our result linked list last pointer point to the rest of the linked list. Take another case. For example, if we have 9 here also, then 4 and 3, 7 added by 1 is 8. Then both the pointers move forward. We have 9 and 9, which is 18. So we store 8 here and 1 goes on. Now if we have some remainder left, in that case I'll make a new node and assign that node this value, and then I'll come out of the loop and then I'll return pointer to this node. So let us write the solution to this problem. So first we need two pointers pointing to the beginning of these two nodes. One could be list node pointer s1, so these are my two pointers. Now another pointer is needed to store the result. So this is the result pointer, and another pointer current, which marks our location in the resultant linked list. And currently this pointer current is actually pointing to our resultant node because it is the beginning. And another integer rem, which stands for reminder. So this is the condition which we talked about. While s1 is not equals to null and s2 is not equals to null, it means that both of the pointers are actually pointing to some node of these two linked lists, or when there is some remainder left. Now let there be two variables, int v1 and v2. Let us say that both are 0 initially, and if s1 is not pointing to null, then v1 is equals to value of s1, and if s2 is not pointing to null, then v2 is equals to value of s2. Remainder is initially 0 as we have already initialized it. Now what we need to do is make current point to a new list node whose value is v1 plus v2 plus remainder. Current moves forward, and now what is the remainder or what is the carry forward? it is equal to value of current divided by 10, and the current node will only have the unit digit. And now if S1 is not pointing to null, in that case S1 points to the next node, and similarly for S2, that is if S2 is not pointing to null, in that case we make it point to the next node. So we are done with this loop, and if S1 equals to null, then the next pointer of current is equal to S2, else it is equal to S1. Then we return next pointer of null, because the first pointer or the first node is actually a dummy node. Therefore we are returning the next node. So let us run code and see if there is any bug. It is accepted, and now it's time to submit the solution. So yes, it is working and it is a really fast solution. So I hope that you like this solution, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.